Hey Gems! Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're
your skincare experts.
So first of all, we wanted to thank you guys for all your amazing support and all the followings and comments. We really appreciate all of them. We read all of them. Thank you so much. So the thing that we saw the most actually in the comments is recommendations for products for Maskne. So Ryan and I did a whole haul at Ulta.
We are going to be doing an AM regimen and a PM regimen. Each product individually is less than $30, so we wanted to keep it more like a budget-friendly, moderate amount just because we didn't want to go too high-end or too low-end or anything like that. We wanted to give something good and in the middle. And we also just want to do a little disclaimer too that we understand that all of these products are a general Maskne regimen and it's not made for everybody. There are other people out there who tend to be a little bit more sensitive or a little bit more oily or a little bit more dry. Not all of these products may work for you. If you do want to get better information, then we definitely recommend to reach out to your skincare professional, your esthetician, or dermatologist. Somebody who knows a little bit better about your skin and can tell you what products or what ingredients are going to be good for your skin and which ones are not going to be good for your skin. That way you can look out for what to do and what not to do.
Exactly. We just don't know. Sometimes we can have an allergic reaction to some products, so it's not going to be for everybody. But we tried our best to come up with a really good regimen with clean products and good ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and start with our products. We're going to do the AM regimen first, and then we're going to jump into the PM regimen. So the first product that we're going to talk about is the cleansers. And we chose the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Cleanser. And this one runs about $19 and it's also very mild. So it's good for most skin types. And we chose this one because we don't want any over drying products. It's also fragrance free, dermatologist tested, and hyperallergenic.
And for your AM toner, we chose the Bedescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This one comes out to $12. And the reason why we chose this one is because it has all those hydrating factors in it. It has the aloe, which is hydrating, healing, and it's also antibacterial. Cucumber, which is hydrating, and the green tea, which is ultimately really good for fighting against free radicals. It's an antioxidant. And it has peppermint, so it gives you a really cooling effect to your skin, and it's also
antiseptic. And the way you use this one is by misting it onto your skin, and then you can go ahead and pat it into your skin and let it just soak up and dry.
You can also use this over your makeup as a finishing spray too, which is
for that added radiance. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. So after you do your cleanser and your toner, your next step would be using a good serum. And we chose the Clinique Fresh Press Serum. It's $21. And the unique thing about this serum is that you actually activate it. So it comes with vitamin C in there that you have to activate. And when you activate vitamin C, that's when it's the most potent, guys. And this tube is good for 7 days. That's when it's going to stay potent for those 7 days, but can be also used up to 14 days.
So vitamin C is a really, really good anti-aging vitamin because it helps to lighten your skin, brighten your skin, and tighten your skin, ultimately giving you really nice, youthful, glowing skin. So your next step would be a moisturizer. We decided to go with the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizer. This one comes out to $21. The reason why is because this is really good for very dry, and combination skin. So it's going to help really bring moisture into your skin. It has the hyaluronic acid in it. It has caffeine in it, so it's really going to help to tighten your skin, get it a little bit plump.
It also has squalene in there, so it's really good, just locking in all that hydration like we talked about. And this one, of course, Clinique, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, hyperallergenic, so it has all those really good benefits to it. And it's also a cream gel. So it's going to be creamy but also gel, so not so heavy but very velvety and soft.
It's really nice. It feels
it's
luxurious.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, luxurious is the word.
Beautiful is another word.
So after your moisturizer, your next step would be to do an SPF. And we chose the Juice Beauty Organic Solutions, which is about $22. And the reason why we chose this one is because yes, it's organic, but also because they only use physical ingredients. So they have the zinc oxide 20%, which is a physical sunscreen, all mineral based, no chemicals. Chemical sunscreens can sometimes aggravate acne, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and use a physical one. And this one has so many other wonderful things. It also has vitamin C, vitamin E, it has algae, it has aloe vera.
And cucumber. So ultimately, it's healing your skin while it protects it.
Very soothing and hydrating.
And hydrating. It's very hard to find that with an SPF. And although we did have a moisturizer before the SPF, it's always good to have two sources. One moisturizer and one that you're mainly going to use as your SPF, just in case.
And also another thing about them is they are fragrance free and sulfate free.
So lastly, you want to keep your lips hydrated and protected. This is the Goat Milk and Honey Lip Balm. This comes out to $5 and it's 100% natural. It's paraben free, it soothes and protects. So you want to make sure you keep your lips happy and hydrated. Alright guys, now that we finished our AM regimen, we're going to move on to our PM regimen.
That's right. So the first product that we chose for your nighttime routine is this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. It runs at $5.
And this is only optional if you do wear makeup. For the guys out there who don't wear makeup, for the girls out there who don't wear makeup, you can skip this step.
And you guys, I know you're not wearing makeup under your Maskne, but
Hopefully
this is more
not.
so for the eye area, in case you wanted to wear some mascara or put some brows on. We chose micellar water because it's non-comedogenic, guys. Keyword, it's not going to clog your pores. Comedones means blackheads, comedogenic, so it's not going to cause blackheads and whiteheads.
So after you take off your makeup, if you are wearing any makeup, you're going to go ahead and go to your cleanser. Now this is the same cleanser you're going to be using for the AM routine because we didn't want to have to get another cleanser because this is ultimately very versatile. So it can be used in the day and the nighttime, and you don't have to spend any extra money buying a separate cleanser for the nighttime.
Exactly.
Clinique. We really like Clinique though. I mean, we're not sponsored, but it's a brand we actually really like.
We just like that they're fragrance free and dermatologist tested, and they don't use any of that funny stuff. So that's why we like this brand a lot. It's really good for sensitive skin, but everyone's skin can benefit from not using all those harsh toxins. So after you cleanse your skin, you're gonna wanna remember double cleanse. And you can go ahead and use the same cleanser again twice. Or if it's your weekly or bi-weekly exfoliating time, go ahead and use your exfoliator. And we chose this lovely Body Shop exfoliator, the tea tree one. And this one is $16. The reason why we love this one is because, like we said, it has tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a natural antibacterial. It's not gonna over dry your skin. So remember guys, only use this product once or twice a week depending on your skin type. Never over exfoliate.
So once you've double cleansed or exfoliated, you'll move on to your next step, which is your toner. For your nighttime toner, we chose the Philosophy Mattifying Clay Toner, which comes out to $22. The reason why we chose this is because of the clay factor that it has, which is going to help to ultimately draw out any impurities from your skin and any extra oils. So it's going to strip it without completely stripping it.
Yes, and it also has witch hazel again, which is a natural astringent kind of to cleanse the skin. And I would say using this toner, maybe not to use it every single night. You can still use this one at nighttime as well, but this one is just for maybe every other day. Start there. We don't want to over dry your skin, but it's a really good one if you have your Maskne because it's drying out all the impurities.
Because ultimately guys, it's your skin. You can see what's going on with it, so you have to kind of understand yourself and understand when your skin is becoming too dry or when it needs more moisture or when you need to stop using a certain product.
So after your cleansing and toning, now's the time to go ahead and pull out those spot treatments, guys. Yes, if you have any breakouts, this is the time to spot treat them. And the first one we chose is by Tula, the Go Away Acne Spot Treatment, and this one is $20. The reason why we chose this one is because it has 5% benzoyl peroxide, which is really great for drying out the acne, also killing the bacteria. And it has tea tree oil, which is also great for killing the bacteria and soothing the skin. And great ingredients like licorice root and niacinamides would actually help to lighten pigmentation from after acne.
Really excited to try that because I have been suffering.
Yes, neither of us have tried this product yet, guys, so we're really excited about it.
So we have another spot treatment option for you guys. So if you didn't want to go ahead and use the benzoyl peroxide option, we have a salicylic acid option. This is the Mario Bedescu drying lotion. This has salicylic acid, which is going to help to kill the bacteria in your skin from any breakouts. It has sulfur, so it's going to absorb any of that impurity from your skin. And it has calamine, which is going to help to calm any irritation on your skin, which is really great. So it's going to help to alleviate any of that redness from your breakout.
And the way you use this one is really fun. You just get your Q-tip and you dip it in there, pull it out, and then you spot treat wherever you have those breakouts.
And super important too, you do not want to shake this. This should not look this pink. We kind of shook it right now.
Yeah, when we dumped it out.
You don't want to shake it, and all of the active ingredient will settle at the bottom, so you literally, like she said, go straight in with your Q-tip and pull some out. And for our third option, we have a spot treatment for the more sensitive skin type. These are by Julep. It's the Patch Me Up Pimple Patches. And we actually ordered these from the Julep website themselves just because we wanted to give you guys another alternative skin spot treatment.
For sensitive skin.
For sensitive skin.
And this one is about $12.
And so the reason why we chose this one is because it has hydrocolloid and tea tree oil, so it's very, very healing and regenerative for the sensitive skin type to help heal any breakouts or any acne that you have.
And this one also comes with some ultra thin daytime patches and then some more potent, thicker nighttime patches. So after your spot treatments, then you're gonna wanna go ahead and do your nighttime serums. And we went ahead and chose the Body Shop Anti-Imperfection Daily Solutions. And this one's about $22.
It also contains salicylic acid, so again, going to help to fight any breakouts or any bacteria in your skin from acne.
And aloe, which is very soothing and hydrating for the skin.
And antiseptic. And vegan. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but tea tree has been a reoccurring ingredient and aloe. So if you guys can kind of guess that and put that together yourself, tea tree and aloe are really good ingredients for acne.
Yes, they are. Without over drying your skin, over irritating your skin, and it's just one of those things that you want to use for antibacterial.
So once you're all serumed up and you let your serum sit for at least 60 seconds, the next step you would want to do is your moisturizer. And again, this is the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizer, the same one you would use in the day. It's $21. And the reason why is because it has ultimate hydration, and that's ultimately what we need during this time of using all these slightly drying products for our skin. You want to make sure that your skin stays healthy and hydrated.
Fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, nothing too irritating, and that hydration, guys, is going to last you 72 hours. What more do you need?
Even after you wash your face, it's still going to be there.
Yeah.
Might as well get it.
So your final step would be to hydrate your lips. We're going to go with this goat milk and honey 100% natural lip balm. It's just a really good product that's going to soothe and lock in all that moisture while you're sleeping.
You always need a good lip balm or else you have crusty lips. Everybody wants crusty lips.
When you wake up in the morning with crusty lips, it's not fun, guys.
So lastly, we have a recommendation for a mask. This is the Ordinary Salicylic Acid 2% mask, which comes out to $12. Now guys, if you are a little bit more on the sensitive side, I would recommend to try it out, or even just maybe not try it, depending on how sensitive you are.
This is recommended to use once a week though, if you aren't too sensitive to it.
So it does have all those really purifying ingredients in it. So it has the salicylic acid, which is going to help to kill the bacteria. It has charcoal and kaolin, which are ultimately going to help to draw any impurities from the skin.
And it also has glycerin and squalane, which is going to hydrate the skin at the same time while it's sitting on your skin. So it's not going to just do drying things, it's also going to hydrate and protect the skin as well.
And you would want to use this before your serums, before your moisturizer.
Yep.
So use it as a mask, take it off, then go ahead and move on with your skincare.
Always
routine.
use all your masks on clean skin. So cleanse your skin, then do your mask.
Exactly.
It's also vegan and cruelty-free, an added bonus.
We're going to go ahead and try out all of these products in a full regimen so we can let you guys know how the entire regimen works on our skin. And we're going to use it for about 2 weeks. So once we get our results, we'll be back and we'll let you know. See you guys soon. Have you ever heard somebody tell you, like, oh, it smells weird, and you're like, it's your upper lip?
So, you can use it up to, oh, and this little tube can be.
It's 100% natural. It's 100%, and it's also And it...
It's tea tree, salicylic, and aloe.
Oh my god, it's glass hollow like shutters.
This is $22. Is it this turn time?
It's that turn time I set it up like that.
Okay.
No, I didn't.
It's called the Body Shop.
Sophia. I give up.
What's your step?
I needed you to be here.
It was just... Brian, it was just because... Yeah. Yeah.